When it comes to decorating, sometimes you'll find brown or black spots in the corner of your skirting board, the top corners of your walls, and sometimes around your windowsills. In this episode, I'm going to shine a light on what those spots are. So stay tuned. I'm Mark Holmes and this is Sherlock Maintenance. So guys, this room I'm going to be decorating, but while I'm doing a bit of prep work, I came across some of these brown and black spots and I thought, you know what, I may as well let you know what they are, because you all must have come across them. And what it is, it's actually spider poo. Can you believe it? Spider poo. It's not harmful, it doesn't carry any germs. I'm just going to show you a few bits of spider poo so you can relate to the spots that you may be seeing in your house. Especially down in this corner, just get the camera to focus. You see all this here, that is actually spider poo. And there is still a bit of a spider web there. So what it is, whenever there is a spider web, you'll always find these brown or black spots underneath the spider web where the spiders come out. Thought, you know what, I fancy a number two, and boom, you got little brown and black spots all over your windowsill, skirting board, walls. It's a pain, don't get me wrong, it's an absolute pain. It stains your wallpaper and it means you just got to go over the actual poo again with some paint. So I was searching on the internet and to do a bit more research on this spider poo. Just want to make sure you're all safe. You're not going to catch anything from it, because they do eat some of the most weirdest things. I mean, flies full of germs, wood lice, the whole shebang. They eat everything. Natural defenders though, to keep them insects out of your house. But the only byproduct of it is spider poo. So I've put together this little bit of information about spider poo.
According to the Copason Specialist in Pest Solution website, folks, they did an article on how safe is spider poo. And they go on to say that spiders are the number one fear of many people. People are more upset about seeing spiders, eating mice and flies, etc. It's just one of those natural things. I think all of us humans have got a little bit of a fear of spiders. However, some scientists have questioned the health significance of spider droppings. Usually when looking at the mess at the bottom of a container housing a pet spider such as a black widow spider. So more than 100 germs are found in flies, including the several common human ones such as staph, strep, entero, salmonella and E. coli. But however, little research has been done on spiders and their droppings. And more specifically, what happens when a spider feeds on a filth fly. Do the germs pass through the spider into their droppings and spread the germs of filth fly carriers like staph, E. coli, etc. And they ask, is there a public health reason not to tolerate spiders indoors? The article goes on to say that Melissa Gaber Wainwright, a graduate student at Washington State University, she conducted an experiment. And she used some poo from a black widow spider, and then she did an experiment and she found that overall there were no bacteria found in spider poo. So the results were puzzling, and they were thinking, well, maybe spiders in their venom in the blood have like antibacterial properties to kill off all this staph and E. coli, etc. And then the conclusion was the control of filth flies may be more important when it comes to safeguarding health than control of spiders. However, spider droppings indoors will not be welcomed by anyone. So there you go, folks. Spider poo spreads no germs, so there's nothing to worry about. I mean, there's going to be more experiments in the future, but as we stand today, spider poo doesn't spread any germs, so don't worry.
So folks, now you know spider poo isn't harmful. The best thing I can suggest is, if you do come across some spider poo and you've still got some of the old paint left over, just give it a quick clean or rub down some sandpaper and just touch up with your paint. Another suggestion is, I found a product on Amazon. It's got very good reviews. I've never used it personally, but I'll leave a link below this video, and if you're on my blog, it'll be below this video as well, or at the end of the article. Another thing is, usually on UPVC on the outside of your buildings you get it a lot, especially in September, October time when spiders are in mating season. I think it's mating season, September, October. I'll have to double check that. I just use a UPVC solvent cleaner. If it doesn't get rid of the stain the first time round, when I come back to it maybe 2 weeks later and run the solvent cleaner over it again, they usually completely disappear. So I'm glad I've shined some light on what those black and brown spots are in the corner of your rooms. If you'd like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you've come across any spider poo, or you have got your own like homemade cleaner or a cleaner that you use to get rid of them, please could you leave it in the comments section below. And thank you for watching this video, it means a lot to me. So continue to give me some support, because I'm trying my best to provide you as much DIY knowledge, help you along with things in your house. It's just something I'm really passionate about. So thanks again.